Welcome to part 2 of this video series. Keep watching if you're confused by the Swiss train timetable or if you simply want to know all the options to travel efficiently. Let's say I'm planning a trip from Zurich to Menzingen. I'm checking the first travel option. You can see that the trip is partly by train and partly by bus. So the timetable doesn't include trains only, but also buses, trams, boats and cable cars to mountaintops. I can even fill out an address. For example, I want to get to the street Schlossweg in Kriens. The timetable comes up with the entire trip, which in this case includes a train from Zurich to Luzern, a bus from Luzern to the bus stop Centrum Pilatus in Kriens, and finally a 7-minute walk. A map of that walk is available too. That's practical, isn't it? Now I want to make a boat trip from Thun to Interlaken. I'll go to the settings and select ship as the only mode of transport. That gives me all the travel options across Lake Thun. If I select all modes of transport again, it will automatically show the quicker options, which are by train. Keep in mind, this doesn't work for every trip. If there's only a bus service on your route and you select trains only, the timetable will not find any travel options. Like here, because there is no train line from Thun to Beatenberg. Do pay attention to entering correct town names. The city of Luzern is commonly known in English as Lucerne. In this case, the timetable understands what you mean. But if you misspell the town name, it might suggest a completely different location, in this case a town in another country. Also, there are quite some towns in Switzerland with similar names, so you should pick the correct one. Like here, Küsnacht am Rigi near Luzern versus Küsnacht ZH near Zurich. As you can see, the timetable will list destinations as you type. If you don't know which one you need, the first option usually is the main train station. Most towns only have one. The other names in the list are bus stops. In this case, Bern, there are multiple train stations and bus stops, but the first one is the main train station. There's also an option Bern Bahnhof, which means station, but that's the bus stop at the train station and not the train station itself. In part 3 of this series, I'll show you how to see if it's a direct train or if you need to switch along the way. Also, I'll explain how to see if a train is likely crowded or not, and how to find train details like if there's a restaurant on board. Have you tried out the features I showed you? Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the easiest version of the timetable and my latest tips on using it smoothly.